how I have made over, as you can see over here, 566 euros or over 600 US dollars in one day in 24 hours with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. As you can see, I have 10 actions, meaning 10 conversions or 10 sales. But the best thing is only 71 clicks. So 71 people clicked, right? 10 people took action. And over here is the results, 566 euros or over 600 US dollars, right, in 24 hours. Now, if you're wondering how you can put this into action step by step in 2025 as a beginner watching this video right now, then you can later on reach out to me over here. As you can see on my Instagram, I have my email, WhatsApp number, Facebook Messenger, email, everything in the description below. If you want to know exactly how to do it one-on-one, step by step in 2025 with 30 minutes to 1 hour per day. Basically, faceless offers on ClickBank and other CPA affiliate networks where you can basically get up and running in a day, 2 days, and have your offer generating between 100 to 300 US dollars a day as a beginner. So let me know and let's make it happen.